What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing today? In today's video, it's something very funny and different. As you all know, I have twin babies. I have a boy and a girl. So Chima is the one you guys have been seeing all this while. This time it's Chino's turn. Well, this is a little bit of story. So I took Chino it was Chino and Chima's their birthday, 2-year birthday. So I told the dad to take him to the barber shop to go cut his hair. So when they got there, the barber just put a clip on the hair and Chino was crying. He refused everything. He was screaming and they had to bring him back home. I was like, the dad was like, he can't say, he's been crying, he can't sit at a place for the hair to be cut. And I want him to look some certain way. I want him to look cute for his birthday. And I decided to do it myself. Fortunately for us, we have a clipper in the house, so I wanted to do this myself to experience it. And this is my first time of cutting Chino's hair. My very first time of even taking a clipper to cut hair. So what I did was I went on YouTube and I saw how people were clipping, do cut, boys' hair and all that stuff. So I decided to do it on Chino. And here you will see me going through World War II with this boy. Oh my God, I gave birth to 2 personalities. One, Chima is a fashionista. She can stay and, get whatever you want to do on her. But when she's tired, she's tired. She doesn't want anything. I should just leave. But Chino is different. Chino is, you can see him crying. Like it was war. It was war, yo. I know some of you might get, emotional with the way he's crying. But kids can be dramatic. The hair, there is no cut. There is no injury. I've been very gentle as I can. Chino was not having it. And I just have to do my best to just cut the hair and make him look cute. But at the end of the day, it came out looking, really good. So if you have any tip on how to make a toddler stay for haircuts, please let me know. I know this is the reason some mothers decide to leave their kids' hair or braid it or some. Oh man, it was war. But I don't believe in leaving my son's hair. I need to cut it and make him look cute, because cutting hair, giving him the right amount of haircut just makes him look so cute. And this is it, I hope I try my best. And if it's your first time of seeing us, please go ahead and watch our other videos. This is a very short one. Go ahead and watch our other videos, like, share, comment. And also, if you have any tip on how to make a child stay for haircut, please let me know. I'm ready and willing to listen to all your advices and what you gotta say. Yeah, so this is the end of it. Just go ahead and then see the fights, the struggle, and that's and at the end, the cuteness. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Like to brag, well be humble till it's all good and poured up. Fill me up, fill me up, fill me up, fill me up. Cause you love, sweet.
Look at this, something's up. I took a sip, now I'm stuck on you. Made a bet, lost $100. Cause you said I would fall in love. There's something iconic about you. Oh no, there's something ironic about how you knew I'd be coming back for your cup. To tell my friends, deuces up, I'm coming back.
I need just a little cup of your sweet tea. I'm feeling that. I think something in the cup comes over me. You like to brag, well be humble till it's all good and poured up. Fill me up, fill me up, fill me up, fill me up. Cause you love, sweet.
Look at this, it's a wrap. I took a sip, now I'm out with you. Made a bet, I'm banking on these checks. Cause I know you don't trust me yet. There's something iconic about you. There's something ironic about how you knew I'd be coming back for a cup. Tell my ex,